Right guys, so in this video I'm just going to show you basically how I missed this trade. The target's 9R. It was currently at 7.7. It's still, the market's still live, but I missed it by 1 pip, and I'm going to show you kind of how I missed it and what I'm going to do next time, so you guys can learn from my mistakes as well, and we can all kind of look for better trades in the future. But yeah, we'll roll the intro and I'll see you in a minute. Right guys, so let me get the screen big for a sec and I will zoom in a little bit. About there. Right, hopefully you can all see me okay and you can see my screen. So this is Euro USD. Top right screen, this one here, let's make this bigger. This is basically the trade that I missed. So I'm going to just make it a real quick video. I know I say this every time and then I start waffling, but I'm going to try my best. Basically, well, some of you might see straight away of why I've entered, but I'll move it out of the way for a minute. But yeah, so zoom back out, and first of all, basically, this top left is the daily. Yes, we've got a lot of sell pressure there, but don't forget we are day traders, so we want to try and get some buys and sells amongst this. And as you can see at the bottom of the day, round about there's a lot of buy pressure. So I'm actually looking for it to go up a little bit higher before it drop. But I won't bore you too much with all the higher time frame analysis and whatnot. So for this trade, real simple. I marked out the market structure on the hourly time frame. So as you can see, we've got the low here, the ultimate low at the minute. We've got a higher high, higher low, higher high, and then a higher low, which is where the trade come in. So at the time, I think it was 2 seconds. Yeah, it was 5156. So let me do replay mode. So let's go big screen. So we know the market structure. We're currently in buys. Although the overall is sells, market structure at the minute is telling us buys, and we are respecting the current lows. Oh, the light's gone off. We'll get that back up. Yeah, so we're looking for buys ideally, and we know that we're in the bottom 50%. So if we put our Gann grid here, there to there, we're in the bottom 50%, so we're looking for buys. Right, so let's get that out of the way though. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to get in here and it shot off without me. I was annoyed because we had a bit of a fake chock there, and I was waiting for that low to be took before I entered, but it ran off without me. It reacted from some imbalance and then it's come back down. But what I did notice is these are nearly equal lows, and what we've got here, guys, is the extreme of this leg. So the extreme of that swing, we have this lovely hour. Let me unlock it so you can see. This is a lovely hourly demand zone. So I marked that on, and as you can see, we've actually got some imbalance above. There's a tiny bit of imbalance. Let's line that up properly. It's not on there, but we will write it on there really quick. Right, so there we've got a tiny bit of imbalance. So above the imbalance, we've got these two almost nearly equal lows, but there's liquidity there. So as I was watching the market and it was retracing back, I thought, you know what, it's still in the leg. It's still in this current swing leg. So until it breaks it, we are actually still buys. So it can go anywhere in that leg and you could still buy. So this is the extreme. So I was waiting for it, and I even put well, this is it obviously, I put a buy limit, otherwise at the time I probably would have FOMO'd in for the sake of 1 or 2 pips just in case I missed the move. But as you can see in a minute, so well, I'll play it forwards a little bit. Let's get price. Right, so let that candle form. So more liquidity. and a lot of people are buying early now. So a lot of people have bought in there and they think it's going to shoot up. But I've seen this happen before, and there's a lot of money there, blah, blah, blah. We need to take the money and run, pretty much. You want to sell everyone, you want to take everyone's money that are buying there, and then you want to trigger everyone who's selling there as well, selling on that line. So I put my, as you can see, my position. Here's my position. 5156. I put it, I think it's, let me just double check. So I put it 2 pips. Yeah, 1.5 pips above my demand, just in case it just missed me and then it shot off without me. I thought I'd rather be in it with a slightly less RR, but be in the trade. Plus, not only that, we've got this low over here as well. So this is the initial low. Oh, not that. 2 seconds. The magnet's on. Right, yeah. So we've got this low. So that is also liquidity. So as you can see, I entered basically on the line of that liquidity, expecting it to take that out as well and then tap into the 1 hour zone. But as you will see, guys, as annoying this is, we'll do the next few candles, and obviously a lot of people are buying now as well because of a bit of a retracement. So I thought, well, I was actually downstairs at the time, so I didn't see it, but look at this candle. Within 1 hour, it went from nearly tapping me in by 1 pip, and then at the end of that hour, it shot up to about, well, what's my pips? My stop loss, sorry, is 20 pips. So from my entry to the end, to the close of the hour, yeah, it was nearly 1.5% potentially, 1.5 R within the hour, all because of 1 pip. So, and then as you'll see, guys, in my target, so simple as my target is the swing high, and you can take partials or just trail your stop loss pretty much. But that'll be another video, and obviously like and subscribe. Oh, I've zoomed out, there I am. Like and subscribe and drop comments on videos that you want. But anyway, what am I going to do next time? Hence the tagline on the video. So next time what I'm going to do, guys, is ignore that noise, the doorbell. So next time I'm going to basically put my entry at the low, at the lowest triple bottom or triple top or double bottom, double top. I'm going to put my entry at the lowest just in case, because it might actually tap it by 0.5 pip, 1 pip, you know, and then cover the low. So what I should have done is entered at the bottom of that wick, knowing that it will still come down and take that liquidity out, but we're not sure how much it will go in, how deep it will go in, and then cover the low. Yes, it would have made my profit a 7, round about a 7R thereabouts, which is still good, but at least you're in the trade. For the sake of 1R, but I'm not in the trade because of 1 pip. So, and as you can see, it ran off without me, and I kept watching. And this is price. This is live now, guys. This is on Thursday the 2nd of November, and this is current price. So, and we've also got a trend line here to take out. So, hence why my target is up there, because I'm expecting something along the lines of, and then maybe take the high out. But either way, I'm not in it. But if I'd done what I said to you guys now, then it would have already gone up to 5.7. And at the minute I could have a trailed stop under this concrete low, cemented low, just in case it taps out, and then you take 2.7. Oh, but anyway, guys, so yeah, so you know what to do if you see double bottoms, triple tops, double tops. The ideal, especially if you're learning, like I'm still learning, like I'm by far nowhere near my journey kind of en route, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so do that next time, guys, and yeah, cover yourself a bit for the sake of RR. you know, and plus FOMO, if you're watching it live, you might end up FOMOing, but cover the low just in case, because it is still a buy swing. So if you cover the low, you should technically be okay unless the trend's going to change. So it just means your RR will be less, but it gets you in. So I'm going to do this next time I see this. Instead of trying to be too tight to the order block, I'm going to go to the wicks and then cover the low. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Like and subscribe. I hope you all enjoy the videos and I don't waffle on too much. It's been 10 minutes. Hopefully it's 10 minutes of valuable data for yourselves. Not data, but you know what I mean. But anyway, right, I'm off and I'll see you on the next one.